Here's the easy way to draw NabNab from Garten of BanBan. We're going to start out with an oval. We're going to add a tooth right here. It's just like a triangle. Then go to the side, add a tooth at an angle. Then go to this side, draw a tooth at an angle. Now come down in this exact same position, mirroring the top tooth. We're going to draw a bottom tooth, and then draw a tooth going to the side, a tooth going to the side, and now we're going to draw 5 teeth horizontally going downwards like this. Then come over to this side and just line up the teeth on this side. As you're drawing, you can kind of look over at your teeth on the left side to make sure that they're lining up. Now come up here, we're going to draw a circle. And then come over here, we're going to draw another circle. And then just above it right here, we're going to draw a third circle. Now, let's draw the pupils looking down at an angle. Then, we're going to draw the head. Now we're going to draw the hat, which is a triangle going at an angle. And then just draw some diagonal lines here. We're going to draw a shape coming out like this for the arm. You can almost think of it like a bird wing. Then come over to this side, we'll draw the same shape. We're going to draw a line that comes down and in just a little bit. Points up. Come over here, draw a line that goes down and in just a little bit, and try to keep it about the same length down as this arm. So just imagine a line running across here. Then we're going to bring it up. Now we're going to connect this to the body. So go down and it gets a little wider as it comes in towards the body. Stop about here and come to this arm. Go down. Now we're going to draw a line coming straight down, and then another line going straight down, just about to where the bottom of the mouth is. And now we're going to draw the leg coming out like this. Come over to this side, draw a line coming out like this. Then we're going to draw a line curves in and goes down to a point. Line that curves in down to a point. And then we're going to draw like these little crab legs. Gets a little wider as it comes up. And then it goes into the body. And then comes up, gets a little wider. And then it goes into here and connects. And that's how you draw NabNab from Garten of BanBan. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And like the video if you liked it. Please be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.